In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer everything pictures and videos to your Windows laptop without third-party app. I've heard a lot of people saying you can't transfer information, you can't transfer pictures and videos to your Windows laptop. It's not possible. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it. And most of the times, reason why some people want to transfer their pictures and videos to their Windows laptop is because most people have 128 GB as their storage space. Some have 256 and it's almost filled up. So the best thing, since you have larger capacity, like this my Lenovo is 57 GB SSD. So as you can see, I have a lot of space, so I just have to transfer the picture and the videos here to my Windows laptop. So I'll be showing you step by step on how to do it. And also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. So all you need to transfer your pictures and your video to your Windows laptop is just your iPhone, your Windows laptop, and the USB-C cable. It's either, like for me, I'm using 12 Pro Max, so you'll be using this type C and this other side. So make sure that your cable is working perfectly. Now connect your cable to your laptop and connect it to your phone. It will ask you a question which I'm going to be showing you now. See, it said allow this device to access your photos and video. If you click don't allow, you won't be able to have your files inside your system. So click allow. Once you click allow, you don't need to do anything on your phone. Lock it and keep it one side. Instead, you come to this search button and type photos, or you just come to this place and click on photos. When you come to this place and click on photo, you'll be seeing this. Let me open it well so you can see. You can see this is your PC, this is your iPhone. When you click on your iPhone, now for us to have pictures on our iPhone, you see we are loading your item from your iPhone. This may take fewer time because I have a lot of pictures. I have over 40 something thousand pictures and videos. It will take a lot of time. Now as you can see, it's showing. Now select, this is the one. Are you seeing 150 photos? As you can see, it's still showing, it's still loading. A lot of pictures are loading. These are pictures that I snapped 3 years, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. So just click on, let me say I want to transfer this particular one. I'll select this one. If you want to select all, click on select all. Now let me say show item. If you want to click on select all, you click on this one, but it's still loading. It will take a longer time to load all this picture. If you don't want to copy all, you just click on select new. If you want to copy all pictures and video, now I will have 2 videos loading, still loading because I have a lot of picture. But this is the best way to transfer your videos and your pictures to your Windows laptop without any third-party app. Also, by this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer from your iPhone to your Apple laptop. Just click on this video if you've not watched it. Now it's loading. As you can see, I have 1000 something. Because this is for tutorial, I just have to cancel it. So I'm canceling it. Now we have this picture. We'll add them. Now we have to select. So let me see. I want to select just 4 pictures from what, because it's for tutorial, I'm selecting it, set. Then how do we now add this item. Now where do you want to add this item? You have to create a new folder where this picture will be, so you can look for it easily. Once you click on the new folder, you type on the name. Let me say I want to use Tech Corner as the name of the new folder. As you can see, this picture will be under Tech Corner, but where will it be? Under new folder, picture, click on it, then click import. Now this item has been imported. Let's check for the item. Click on picture. As you can see, this picture has been imported. So super easy. This picture was snapped November 16, 2021. This is super easy and quick how to transfer from your iPhone to your Windows laptop. If anybody tells you cannot transfer from your iPhone to your Windows laptop because they are not on the same iOS, or they are not on the same whatever it means, just copy this video and send to them so that they will know how to transfer pictures and videos to your Windows laptop from your iPhone. And don't forget, if you find this tip helpful and if you find these videos helpful, hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Peace out. So this is how to transfer both videos, whichever one you want to transfer. You can go to your settings and customize whatever one you want to customize. Note that if you don't find your phone this place, your iPhone, meaning you did not accept this allow. Now let's see. We're going to be plugging back this phone. This is what it says. If I don't click allow, watch, the iPhone will not be showing here. As you can see, it's not showing here.